UTL Solar, India's most preferred solar inverter brand. Company profile 2022. About UTL. UTL was founded in the year 1996 by two professional engineers, Mr. Yogesh Dua and Mr. Pawan Garg. UTL is one of the leading brands of power pack UPS and power generation in India. UTL offers wide range of quality products, has four manufacturing units, strong network of distributors and dealers across the globe, and highly motivated workforce. We are offering excellent R&D services. Tough the team of more than 60 plus R&D professionals and experts R&D service and UTL certificate product to various countries including USA, UAE, area etc. As the company value long term relationship of stakeholder and even customer have very long agreement with UTL. Mission and mission. UTL mission is develop value for money, world class product and provide excellent service to its customer worldwide. UTL has a clear vision to double its reach globally every second year. UTL in 2021 in 2022. 25 years old brand, 10,000 plus dealer in India, 2,000 plus associate employees, 60 plus strong R&D team, 4 plus 4 manufacturing units, 120 we made up to 120 kVA capacity, 1100 plus per day product capacity, 1 crore plus certified UTL customer, 4.0 billion UTL turnover. Exponential growth story. UTL achievement. UTL UPS solar inverter spreading light in the realm darkness tough green also. Yogesh Duan Pawan Kamarkar. Some remarkable milestones covered by UTL are: first Indian SMT inverter in year 2000, first Indian single card inverter solution, first Indian sine wave inverter with inbuilt stabilizer, first Indian manufacturer to develop high frequency online UPS. UTL RMPPT first Indian PCU that has all configurations available in its LCD itself. First online UPS in world with charger, inverter card and IGBT are on one single card. We offer excellent range of product indicative online UPS, offline UPS, RMPPT, solar PCUS, home inverter, solar panel, solar tubular batteries, SMU, solar manufacturing unit, solar charger controller, enabling us to accommodate all the needed of a customer up to their full satisfaction. Takania sine wave inverter available in 8000 VA and 5 kilowatt. Samsung solar inverter available in 675 VA to 1475 VA. Helix solar inverter 850 VA to 3500 VA. Gamma RMPT solar inverter 1 kVA to 1 kVA 12 volt and 24 volt 2 kVA 24 volt 2 kVA Gamma PCU 2 kVA to 5 kVA Alpha plus solar PCU 1 kVA to 15 kVA Sigma hybrid solar PCU 1 kVA to 15 kVA single metal grade tie 1 kVA to 60 kVA 10 tubular battery 40 Ah to 20 Ah solar panel 40 watt to 400 watt PWM solar charge controller, 12 volt 24 volt to 10 volt 20 ampere. SMU solar management unit, 12 to 10 ampere to 360 VA and 60 H. UTL achievement. Invest India Association, largest company of off-grid inverter, one of 25 fastest growing electronic manufacturing company in India. UTL achievement. India's India's most preferred certificate honor. Our global elite helped to achieve to us list of fully happy citizens all of the world.